Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Gupta from Chatkara University in collaboration with Deakin University, Australia. Today I'm going to show you my task number 9.D that is totally based on the embedded SQL. So let's deep dive into this project. So now, deep diving into my laptop screen, as you're watching, I have after installing this XAMPP control panel, so this window get prompted to me. So it has some of the important modules which includes Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat. So as per the given task sheet, we have to use the services of Apache and MySQL so that with the integration of these two modules, the phpMyAdmin get logged into the web browser. So yeah, you are watching the actions have been taken place. These two Apache and MySQL have been started, and beginning with this step, I was having some of the issues regarding that Apache was working and MySQL was not working. So with the whole advancement in the research, I come to the conclusion that the MySQL was not working because there was another application which was running behind this program, that is of MySQL benchmark, that is in my desktop, that is in my laptop only. So yeah, I have turned off that one application, and after that I turned on this application, and yeah, it had actually turned on. So after getting started with these two applications, I come to this phpMyAdmin on the web browser after getting this command. So here I have made this table, that is the airlines table here, and with this airlines table I have come to this part that there is nothing which is stored. The values haven't been inserted right now in this table. So yeah, let's start with diving the values towards this. So before getting towards this, let's have a look on my VS Code screen that I have input this HTML code with some sort of PHP commands so that it get open in the web browser window. So yeah, let's understand the concept over here. So here I have used the HTML commands so that it has made the basis for this project, where I have set the scale values, and after that in the body tag there are some sort of font family, that which type of font I have to use, which background color I have to use. These whole alignments happen in this form with the label commands, the input commands and the focus command, and which type of buttons I want to include in this with the full widget button in the where. So these whole comments are being shown to you, which is depicting the whole UI UX interface, that how it would be looking to the user, or I can say the consumer. So this actually brings a lot of stuff in that the airline ID would be able to show airline names, the IATA code, contact number, the website and the external references ID. These whole buttons get inserted over that form, so which would be prompted in the screen. And this is the basic logic to post here. The logic to use this PHP tag is just because we have to post those values into the web browser, and that is the main agenda of this project. So after include this project into the web browser, I come to this window where I have to add the airlines number, the whole details which I have been showing here, and after adding all the details, it would be get shown into this phpMyAdmin window. So let's try it how to see these whole application. So let's try it with filling some of the options. So let's try with 1 2 3. The airline name is British Airways. IATA code, let's suppose I put this. Contact number, let's suppose this. Next, website name, it means airline name is British Airways, so we have to put the britishairways.com, and next invite is not applicable right now. Let's insert this option. So after insert this option, you are going to see the prompt of new airline added successfully. So let's test the is it added or not. So we will go to this window again, and we will see after refreshing the window. So after refreshing the window, you are going to see that this airline ID 123, airline name British Airways, and this IATA code with this contact number, website and the external reference ID have been added over this table in the backend, that is phpMyAdmin. Let's try once again with this airline ID only 123, so that let's try it would be able to understand the way or not. And let's try airline name, let's suppose Air Emirates, IATA code is this, contact number, let's suppose this, website is it's airemirates.com, external reference ID is 567 for instance. So now after getting inserted over here, it is showing the fatal error. That is because we have added a duplicate entry for 123 or key this. So that is what it basically meant to us, that the airline ID is a primary key over this process, and we have again put a duplicate key of 123 over this. So that is what it executes the problem. So now let's test with the other airline ID. Let's suppose I test with the 456, and the airline name is Egypt Airlines, and putting the IATA code, let's suppose it's EA15679. The contact number is as follow, is in the drop down window, and the website is www.egyptairlines.com. And after adding the external reference ID of this, let's suppose we have to insert. So this actually get inserted in this let's test in the PHP admin block, and yeah, let's refresh it. So after getting refreshed, we are getting this again, that is airline ID. This whole information get once again stored over here. So that is what this whole concept helps to understand this. So now talking about the various things, we can able to insert the various types of airline IDs, names, IATA code. But yes, it means it's short that airline ID is a primary key over this table, so we have to keep in mind. The main thing I have put this airline table is just because in 7.2c task I have used the airline as my table. So that table, so there were attributes, airline ID, name, IATA code, contact number, websites, and external reference ID. So these were the concept over there, and I have used those things. So this is the overall project, and I hope so that this actually meant for this task. Thank you so much.